It was a relief rally for the markets in trade today, with the Sensex and Nifty both ending higher after the sharp fall we saw in trade yesterday. So the Nifty ended about 46 to 47 points higher, led by strong gains in Dr. Reddy's Labs. Among the other stocks that gained was HDFC Bank. In fact, HDFC Bank has a heavy weightage in the Sensex and the Nifty both, and it helped to pull the indices higher in trade. Maruti today was clearly among the laggards in trade, and it fell almost 3 to 4%. The drop in Maruti was largely on account of reports of production cut at the company's Haryana plant. So this led to a sharp fall in the stock of Maruti. In fact, auto stocks were today tad weak, with even Mahindra and Mahindra reporting a drop in August sales volume, which led to some softness in the stock of Mahindra and Mahindra. Overall, it was a relatively better day as compared to yesterday. We saw buying also in some IT stocks, though they were not significant gainers, but they did help to keep the markets steady. Coming to the global markets, we saw the Hang Seng rally almost 4% in trade today, and the rally in the Hong Kong markets was what led the Asian markets higher, and the 4% rally in the Hong Kong's Hang Seng also helped the European markets to open higher. The European markets opened at around 12:30 Indian Standard Time, and they opened significantly higher. The German DAX was up almost 1%, and so was the French CAC. The Dow futures also interestingly was pointing to higher openings in trade today. So we're looking at almost 1% gains or upwards thereof in the Dow when it opens later today. Coming to the general outlook for the markets, we expect the markets to be volatile, and we expect the markets to continue to take cues from the global markets. Remember, the important indicator of GDP was not taken well by the markets, and we saw a 770 points crash yesterday in the markets. So clearly we will be digesting news that comes from across the globe, primarily because there are not too many indicators in the market right now. There are not too many data points to look forward to until we get inflation later in the month. So Indian markets will really be taking cues from what is happening across the globe. And at the moment, it looks like the China-US trade tariff wars also have ebbed, and there's not much happening there. So probably we'll have a relatively calm period for the markets in the next few days.